Meaning of deter.
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 Deter. The word deter means to discourage or prevent someone from doing something through fear or doubt. The result of deterrence is the avoidance of a particular action or behavior due to the perceived negative consequences that may follow. Deterrence can be used in various contexts, such as crime prevention, national security, and international relations. For example, a country may aim to deter another country from launching an attack by threatening military retaliation. Overall, deterrence aims to dissuade individuals or entities from engaging in undesirable behaviors by creating a sense of fear or uncertainty about the potential consequences.